Hi, I'm Maddie, and my topic is animal safety. Pets versus wild animals. So, the difference depends on the environment in which the animal grows. A wild animal is an animal that lives in the wild without human support or intervention. They do not depend on a conscious supply of food from humans because they hunt and find food on their own. Humans also do not provide shelter or care in any way. A pet animal is a creature that is raised by humans and is totally dependent on humans to take care of them, provide shelter, and give food and companionship. Humans are responsible for pets' health and take care of them during sickness, and a typical pet would be an extension of the human family. Pets are raised domestically, while wild animals are considered dangerous due to their upbringing. Pet safety. Always make sure you research your pet of interest before getting one to ensure that you can take care of it properly. If you're trying to interact with a pet that is not your own, always make sure you ask the owner ahead of time. And be respectful, be kind, and gentle around animals. Make sure that you are aware of the pet's space and try not to startle them in any way. You should not yell around pets or disturb them while they are trying to eat, sleep, or drink water. Wild animal safety. If possible, you should leave wild animals alone. This includes trying to feed them or touch them. You should also make sure to not leave trash or anything that could be mistaken as trash behind so that animals will not try to eat it. You should not try to keep wild animals as pets. They were not raised as pets and will not act as such. If you find a wild animal that is injured, you should call a parent or animal control. And do not try to take care of them yourself or bring them into your home. They could have diseases. Wild animals can be dangerous, they are unpredictable, so you should just always try to keep a safe distance away from them. New Hanover County laws for animal owners. New Hanover County has their own rules and regulations for pet owners, and it's important to abide by the law to keep animals and owners safe. On the following slide, you can find a link to the county's full animal service online info booklet, and these are the important links and citations.